There's a stranger who knows my whole life, and I let him in without ever learning his name. For 2 years, I played the same online game almost every night. Same squad, same voice chat, the same guy in my headset from 11 at night until 2 in the morning. I never saw his face. I never knew his real name. Just a username, and a laugh I'd know anywhere. I thought that was the safest kind of friend. No last name, no city, no way for any of it to ever leave the game. Then I checked who kept viewing my Instagram, an account I never once mentioned in that game. The #1 visitor was a blank profile. No photo, no posts, no name. Opening my page 100 times a week. Every single view landed between 11 p.m. and 2 a.m. Our hours. Never a like, never a message, just watching, in the exact window we used to play together. So I started digging. That blank account had only ever reacted to 3 things: a photo with my street sign in the corner, a story from a cafe I tagged once, and a clip where you could hear the train that runs past my building. Little things I never thought anyone was collecting. He had built a map of me out of background noise. Then a girl from our squad messaged me. She had found the same account watching her. Same hours, same silence. He had been quietly studying all of us, stitching real lives out of the pieces we let slip on a headset. And here is the part that still keeps me awake. It was never some genius hacker. It was me. 2 years of tiny leaks. A street sign, a cafe, the sound of a train. Anonymous online was just a feeling. It was never once a fact. I only saw all of this because a tool showed me exactly who keeps opening my profile and when. You would be shocked who shows up on yours. Check the link in the description and go see who is really watching.